this is how you can sign up for iSchool.sg. First, click on Start Now. Enter the promo code. Click on Sign Up. Enter your child's name, choose a level, enter your email and the password that your child should log in. Confirm the password, enter your own name and contact number and click Sign Up. You can log in and click on Remember Me. Now you have logged in. To do the question, go to Math. There are many questions for you to choose from. You can choose based on topic. You can also choose based on this topic parameters, the marks type, the question status, and the level. You can also search based on keywords like more than. The portal will generate questions with the same keywords for you. You can also search based on concept names like units table, and the system will generate all the questions with unit table for you. If you only want questions on unit table based on a certain topic, just select your topic and other search criteria. Click search and the portal will search the questions for you. You can also click on the concept tag and the question will be generated for you. To search based on more than one concept tag, just add comma in between. To find PSLE question, just type PSLE and the system will search for PSLE question that has been modified to help your child. And to find questions with video, click on the video button and you can now look at all the questions with videos. Click on the videos that you want to watch. To attempt a question, click on the attempt button and a question will be generated for you. There is a timer to track the timing and the number of attempts that has been done. So enter your answers and click submit. A full solution is generated for you. Notice that a purple coin has been assigned to your child. It means that your child has done the question correctly at his first attempt, or subsequent attempt will be either gold, silver, bronze or green, depending on the speed of your child. If your child gets the question wrong, just click on the clone button and it will generate the next question for you. The system can generate unlimited questions of the same type for any question. If you want to practice other questions with the same concept, just click on the concept tag and the system will generate other question type for you. To try the next question, click on next, and to go back to the topic page, click on back. If the question has been done correctly once, it will be changed to green background. For wrong question, the background will be in pink. Now let's go to reports. So in these reports, there are 6 reports altogether. Let's click on question type by day. Question type are the master question. These are the questions done for the last 7 days. You can click on any numbers to return back to the questions. For example, if we click on incorrect question type, we will return to all the questions that are still incorrect. If we click on attempted question types, we will be able to see all the questions that have been done on that day. The incorrect questions are always placed at the top. The next one is question type by topic. It shows the number of questions typed done for all the topics. This is a bar graph for all the topics listed. It shows the best coin earned for each question type by topic. So from this bar graph, we can see that the student has practiced the most question type for area and perimeter and the least for measurement. The longer the gold and silver bar, the better the students in that topic. The longer the red bar, the weaker the child is in that topic. Question by day and question by topics are similar to question type by day and by topic. The key difference is question type refers to the master template question, while question refers to the number of attempts that is done. We also have reports on question by week and by month. Now let's look at assessment. For this assessment, notice that the child has not done any PSLE mock paper yet, and he has completed all the SA1 to SA2-4. Below the table is a report on exam score in percentage where we compare the performance of paper 1 and paper 2, and we also compare across different papers to see if the student has been making good progress. Let me show you how to do a paper. To start, click on the Start button. You can choose to print the question. You're not allowed to leave the paper halfway because you will get a 0 for this paper and there is no retake allowed. Click on the Start button. When you start the paper, there will be a timer to show you the remaining time, and you can click on the button here. To see an image, just click on the image. When you're doing question that needs you to fill in the blank, just enter the answer here, and if you need to use a symbol, just click on the symbol icon. To enter a fraction, just click on the fraction, key in the fraction that you want, and key in Add Insert. After you have completed the whole paper, click on the Submit button and click Submit. To do the next paper, just click on paper 2. If not, click Cancel. Notice that the total score for this paper has been tabulated for you. To look at individual topic, just choose your topic, the concept, the marks, and the question status. Question with green backgrounds are correct answers, and question with pink backgrounds are wrong answers. To view the solution, click on the light bulb, and the full solution is provided for you under the question. To do more questions of the same concept type, just click on the concept tag. You can practice more questions of the same concept tag as generated by the portal. To do paper 2, just click on the Start button. When you finish the paper, click on Submit. Reports will be generated for you. To view the report, click on the Reports. To go back to the exam menu, click the Exam button. Let's view a student report. In order to view an exam papers, we can click on the score. It will bring us back to the exam papers, and to return to the exam menu, click on the Exam button. To view the reports, click on the eye icon. There are 5 reports here. Let's look at the report on topic mastery based on percent and marks. From this report, we can see that the student has mastered some topics but is still struggling on the other topics. Make an attempt to master the topics that have long red bars because it means that the child is struggling with these topics. Let's look at the next report, which is the report on topic mastery based on percentage. This shows us that the student has mastered these topics, and this shows us that the student have not mastered this topic yet, and the longer the red bar, the weaker the topic. Now let's look at report on concept mastery by topics based on percent and marks. So to analyze the weakness in the concept, we have to search based on topic. Let's look under the topic on geometry. So for the topic of geometry, the child is able to score for the concept symmetry, but not on tessellation and grid square. So for the report based on percentage, it shows that the student has mastered 100% on the concept of symmetry, but not on tessellation or grid square. Now let's look at the reports on question by topic. This report shows us that the student can answer all the questions from decimal to measurement, but not on data analysis, geometry, speed, and RFPD. Now let's look at reports on question by concepts. For reports on question by concept, we have to search the concept based on topics. So for the topic of geometry, the student has not answered questions on grid square and tessellation correctly, but he has answered the question on symmetry correctly. Now let's look at reports on question by marks allocation. This report shows us that the student is able to answer 1 mark and 2 mark question, but struggle on 4 mark and 5 mark question. You can learn how to use the website by scrolling down and click on the how-to video where we teach you how to use the website and the features that we have.